Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to upload pins from phone. Step 1. Log into your Pinterest account on the Pinterest app. Tap the plus at the bottom of the screen and tap Pin. Select an image from your device. You can tap the camera icon to take a new photo. If you select multiple images and videos, they'll be stitched together into a single video pin. Tap Next and add some information about your pin, whether it is a title, link, tag products, description, board, tag related topics, publish later, or advanced settings. Click the pen icon at the top right corner of your image to edit your content. This is optional. You can use the menu at the bottom to add text and other effects. When you're finished editing and adding effects, tap Next, then tap Create to finish. That's it. Thanks for watching.